Question 1. What is a group of crows called? A. A group of crows is called a murder. Question 2. What do we call a group of lions? B. A group of lions is called a pride. Question 3. Which of these terms describes a group of whales? B. The term that describes a group of whales is a pod. Question 4. What is the collective noun for a group of jellyfish? C. The collective noun for a group of jellyfish is a smack. Question 5. What do we call a group of geese on land? Drop your answer in the comment. Please like this video and subscribe for more.